Hello everybody. So today I wanna talk to you about my multi-tool. Yes, I have multi-tool as well. But as usually I'm not satisfied 100% with current multi-tool and I modify it. So what I did? First of all, I find some case. That's a case from laser meter. And I put some stuff inside of it. Yes, so base thing is my leatherman wingman. Why wingman? Just because I get it as a Christmas gift. Nothing special, yeah. But what I don't like in that wingman, it's his blade. If you see, it used to be that blade, 6 centimeter blade, small blade. Yep. So now it has that 3-inch blade. Looks better, yeah, isn't it? Yeah. So how I did it? I take some working knife, yeah, with scandy profile. That's good because most of job what I make in forest, it's job with wood, and that scandy make me the best result. Okay, and I cut it. I just use old one, yeah. I cut it like that, and then just make a copy paste of that side and screw over here. Yes, the lock working. That is the first. Second, from that side, we have a scissor. Yes, that is a very good thing, because in the forest after 2 or 3 days you need something just to clip your nails, and scissor is good. That's it. And also with lock. Okay, from that side 2 screwdriver, Phillips and flat, that's okay. And from that side there was a bottle opener. Actually I don't need it, can opener, because I can do that with other tools. Some file and meter, I also don't need it, and because of that I just make it like a chisel. Sometime you need to work with a chisel on the wood, and that is more useful for me. And the third one, there was such a strange tool like a cardboard cutter, but I can cut cardboard with my nail, with my knife, with anything, yeah. Here in forest I need different tool, but thanks God leatherman has good steel, and I just make it like that. So universal knife or clipper or what else. So what do we make in the forest? So all the nomad people, their knife has that kind of shape, because they need to make holes in the wood all the time, and that is a perfect device to make a hole in the wood. Yes, now you can fix one and another wooden bar, yeah. That's first. Then sometimes I need to make something from tin, and I can make it like that. You see? Absolutely easy, like that. Like that. Like that. Okay. Here I can use my leatherman, and for example we can make that. Yeah, something like micro stove. Or for example, I told that I don't need that can opener because now I have that one. I can open any can without any problem. That leatherman still good enough for that. Yes, not so nice, but it works. Actually, I wish to have in my leatherman that kind of tool which help me to open barrel, because there is a lot of metal barrel in the woods, and if I can cut barrel the same way, that will be perfect tool. But okay, about that plier, yes, it can cut, it can fix, so it help a lot. Mostly it's good tool. Now it's even better. So it has a weight 195 gram now, 7 ounce, quite good. Then what I have a file, and if I need to sharpen my knife, I have a file to sharpen my knife. And especially that's good that it's not in my tool but separately. Yeah. And what else? Sometimes we need to repair backpack and all that. Yes, you need to sew, for example, one band to another. Yes, there is a tough material, and from that side I have that sharp awl. Yeah, you can make hole and then use that side of needle. That big needle I have here also, and then sew that, fix that, repair that. Yeah, very helpful. Then next, lighter. You know, I don't smoke, and because of that I worry to forget my lighter with me. And I buy many lighters and put it in everything. For example, in my pocket, oh yeah, I have small lighters. If I drive with a car, so I have my lighters, big lighter in the car. When I take with me my big shelter with oven, with stove, in that stove I have even bigger lighters. So that's absolutely necessary thing which I put everywhere. And what else? That's also very valuable thing when you're working with sharp tool. Yes, so that is what I have inside my case with multi-tool, and that's it. It has weight 245 gram now. Quite easy, quite small, and very useful tool. That's all for today what I wanna tell you. So see you next time. Bye.